If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 pocket watches on wrist. Number 1, most popular, by Smtsmt. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Smtsmt. Number 3, by Bobo Bird. For more details about this great pocket watches on wrist, just click this circle. Number 4, by ManChDa. Number 5, by Sewor. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Avaner. Number 7, by Sewor. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Sewor. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by ManChDa.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.